Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to download PPT made in TOME AI. For that, you will have to first of all navigate to the PPT or presentation you have created. For example, this is the presentation that I have created. And now, if I would want to download this presentation, I will have only one option, that is downloading this presentation as PDF. So you will not be able to download any kind of presentation that is created by TOME AI with a .ppt extension, that is a PowerPoint file. And if you want to download it as PDF, you will have to simply click on the three dotted icon at the top right corner and click on Export to PDF. So click on Export to PDF. After that, TOME will process your request and you'll be able to download your PPT as a PDF. And also, this feature is only available for pro users. That is, you'll have to buy a TOME subscription for downloading this presentation as a PDF. So you can click on Export to PDF and click on Upgrade, buy a plan, and then simply click on three dotted icon again and click on Export to PDF. And when you click on Export to PDF, this presentation will be downloaded onto your PC. But you won't be able to download this presentation that will be created in TOME AI with a .ppt extension, that is a PowerPoint file. So that's how you download a PPT made in TOME AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.